So what is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to a brand new video. So today we are back once again in the VW Golf 7.5R. I think it's safe to say that this is our favorite car on the channel, both for me and for you guys. So this one has a bit of a treat in the sense that it's got a downpipe and it also has the factory Akrapovic exhaust, so it sounds so insane. So in this POV video, you're going to watch me drive. You're also going to hear me yap a lot about the car, probably giggle a lot too, and I'll just run you through the experience. But you already know this car: 2-liter turbo, 4-cylinder, stock 228 kilowatts, 400 newton meters of torque. This one has a stage 1 tune, so it's making slightly more power. I don't know what the actual figures are though. So big thanks to the owner for kindly letting me come have a go. He's also cleaned it for me. Yes. Yeah, man. Like, honestly, I can just do this the whole day. I just love this car. I love how it sounds. I love how it drives. It just feels so aggressive. Like, have a look now. There is a huge difference between the Golf R and the Golf GTI. It's just a massive, massive difference. Oh, man. Yes. There's going to be a lot of that in today's video. Jeez, man, what a car. I'm also of the idea that this is probably the fan favorite in our country, at least. I think the 7.5 platform in general, both GTI and R, this is an absolute fan favorite, and for good reason. I think the main reason is that performance-wise, number one, this is reason number one. Performance-wise, it still delivers power that is still a lot for today's standard. Like, it can keep up with or even be faster than a lot of hot hatches that are coming out today. So that's reason number one. The performance is still very good. Reason number two, I feel like the 7.5 is a good blend between modernity and the old school. So it's got the digital instrument cluster, it's got your Apple CarPlay and whatever, which caters for the modern side of things. Even driver aids like adaptive cruise, you can get this car with such things. But also on the other side, like the overall design and stuff, the steering wheel is actually, let me shut up now, have a listen here. So reason number two is that it blends in the modern feel and the classic feel, both in its design, the feel of the interior, and basically inside out. Exhaust still sounds very good, even though this one is a downpipe, but even without a downpipe, this Acra exhaust just sounds mad. So that perfect blend. And then reason number three has to do with pricing. These cars are actually, okay, there's a gaping hole in the middle of the road. Okay, they've held their value pretty well when you compare to when they first came out in like 2017 and the pricing now, the market value now, I mean, the price is still up there, but obviously it comes in lower than comes in lower than a Golf 8R. So somehow, somewhere, you get great value for money. So I think those are the three main reasons why the 7.5 is just a fan favorite. And the looks, I think most people just love them for how they look. Yeah, no. I know ways, guys. 7.5 or nothing. This is the only one that matters, guys. 7.5 or nothing, literally. So I often get the question, would you take a 7.5R or the GTI TCR? And for me, it would have to be the R, really. It also depends what kind of driver you are, what kind of driving feel you're looking for. So most people have this perception that the TCR is lighter and this and that, it's more agile, which is true to a certain extent. But on the road, doesn't really matter so much. And when you look at the cars stock for stock, the R actually has a lot more power. Eh? TCR 213 kilowatts and then this 228. That's significantly more. Actually, let me shut up a bit. Listen to this. So for the 7.5 platform in general, the R really is the big dog. A TCR is a great driving machine. The lighter weight front wheel drive platform, I'm sure around corners, if you drive them back to back and hard, you'll certainly notice the difference. But for every day-to-day use like this, the R is just a different beast, man. It really is just a different beast. Even handling wise, this car is just really is insane. That exhaust, yo. Yo, I know ways, guys. This car sounds crazy. Jeez, man. Ooh, I forgot. There is another reason, but this applies to pretty much all GTIs and Golf Rs in general. The other reason why this car is a fan favorite, or this platform is a fan favorite, is because they are so tunable. For people who are into tuning and whatnot, it's easy to tune these cars, and not for crazy money. Like, they're not expensive to tune and stuff, and you can get like crazy massive power out of them. I think that's another top reason why people love these cars. No ways, guys. 7.5 figure on a straight, yo. Yeah. Yeah, no. Yo, jeez, man. I could never get tired of this car. I can literally make videos on this car the whole year without even getting tired of it. Just POV drives and just general review drives or whatever the whole year. Yo. And the other thing is, even capturing the car is so easy, especially with this exhaust. When it comes to, hey, this guy's coming in hot, yo. When it comes to the exhaust and stuff, you don't even need to use fancy gear or microphones, because the sound is just so much out there. Like, listen. no. Yeah. What a car, man. What a car. If you're thinking of buying this car, just go right ahead and buy it. You will never, yes, listen, you'll never regret it. Not even one bit. Never. The whole world should drive a 7.5. I should drive a 7.5R. You should drive a 7.5. All doctors should drive a 7.5R. Everyone. Listen. Yes. No ways. And the other nice thing is, if I just go on the drive mode selector and I go into, let's actually go comfort. I put the gearbox in normal D, and you're just chilling like this. Becomes a nice car to drive every day. No, it's not too loud. It's not gonna annoy you or give you a headache or whatever. Even though you heard that exhaust is so loud, now it's like the exhaust is not even there, which is just crazy. Like, look, just chilling in normal D. Yeah, it's an everyday car. Nothing to see here. It's like a completely different car. I think this is another reason why people love these cars in general, is that to live with every day, they're still so easy. The suspension is not punishing you. The exhaust is not making your ears bleed in comfort mode and whatever. See, you just chill like this. And also, I was actually talking to the owner the other day. It's also possible to get numbers like 5.9 liters per 100 kilometers when it comes to fuel consumption. So very, very good when it comes to efficiency and stuff. So literally everything you could ever want from one car. Everything. But I know you guys don't want to know about any of the stuff. You want this rather. Now, completely different personality. Isn't this so crazy though? Like, I just find it so crazy. Yes, yeah, no. Yeah. So, yeah, if you ever wondered why you need a 7.5R, that is, well, those are the main reasons why you should go for it. Yes. Yeah, no. What a car, good people. What a car. I think you guys can also agree that we can just spend the whole year making content on this car. No other car. Literally. And we'll be fine. Nobody will care. You can go watch reviews on other cars from other channels. There's a lot of great reviewers out there. Yeah, we're just gonna watch a 7.5R. Yes. Noise. Yes. But I think I'll wrap up this POV right here actually. Hold on, before we wrap it up, let's go one more time. Yes. I know it's. So yeah, like I was saying, we'll wrap it up right here. I really do hope you guys enjoyed this POV. And yeah, do get down in the comment section. Let's talk about the points that I mentioned, why this car is so popular, and let me know what you think about this car. But I think I already know what you guys think of it. So actually, hold on, just one closing pull. Listen. And yeah, that's cheers from me, guys.